guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have to show you my squishies that I got from Five Below the other day. Hold up, be right back. I have to go grab my other ones. Oh, okay. Okay. So first I got this duck. His name is Mr. Duck. Why you will at it? Please stop barking. I'm not growling. Then we have Tortuguini Fruitini, Dragon Fruitini. It's from Steal a Brain Rot name. That little Tortuguini that Kalis hates. Unboxing. But, yeah. And then we have a dumpling that I got from Five Below. It's green. I wanted it to be blue, but I'm thankful for. And then this green, white, and blue. And then my favorite one, the duck Tabasquishy. It has like a little bit of fur on it, but it's not that sticky like other Tabasquishies are. This is a little duck. And yeah, that's all for today. Bye.